Welcome to our channel. Working toward Twitch partner status? Follow these steps to understand requirements and complete the verification process. Step 1. Meet streaming requirements first. Stream for 25 hours across 12 different days within 30-day period. Step 2. Maintain average of 75 viewers. Achieve consistent viewership of 75 or more concurrent viewers over 30 days. Step 3. Check path to partner progress. View your progress toward partner requirements in Creator Dashboard. Step 4. Apply when eligible for partner. Once requirements are met, application option appears in your dashboard. Step 5. Complete the application thoroughly. Provide detailed information about your content and streaming schedule. Step 6. Submit required tax forms. Complete tax interview and provide necessary documentation for payment processing. Step 7. Set up two-factor authentication. Enable 2FA on your account for security as required for partners. Step 8. Wait for Twitch review decision. Review process typically takes 7 to 10 business days for response. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.